All right.
Let's do it.
What are we making today? What are we making? Quiche.
Pizza.
Yeah, we're making spinach quiche.
Yeah, we like. Why not making spinach?
Because it's
We
delicious.
do eggs.
Yep, you do the eggs. Crack them in here. So this is one of the easiest recipes ever. Obviously, if your kid is going to be cracking eggs,
Oopsies.
do it in something other than the bowl you plan on putting the food in.
Thank you, Mama.
Well, let's get the shell out of there first. Let's get pretty much just 2 easy, simple pieces. Yeah. All right, yep, crack it open. Go ahead and crack it open. Yep. Okay. So,
Another one?
yeah. This is obviously not a vegan recipe.
Yeah.
That's all right. Okay. Did he just... Okay. There we go. That brought that shell right up to the top. Okay, good. And one more. So, this is super easy dinner recipe. My family loves it. That's probably good. You can crack that one now. Or you want me to crack it open? Good job. This is a routine. You do the cracking and I open it.
Oh, Mama, Dad, you do it.
Yeah. Okay, let me get your hands. We'll do this one now. Eli, honey. All right, so let's run through this real quick. You're gonna need 2 of these. They're frozen stouffers spinach soufflés. 2 of those.
Do it, though.
You're gonna need a pie crust
Why, Mama?
because we're gonna put the pie crust in here. Is that funny?
Yeah. Me too, my gingerbread.
Oh, your gingerbread? Okay, so
Mama, gingerbread one.
gingerbread. What?
Mama, gingerbread one is the same.
Oh, that's a good question. I'm not sure. We must have put it away, but we can find it. So I see another shell.
No. I just understand.
Nobody really wants to eat shells, even though my sister once told me that there are shells in her eggs every morning. So
Mama,
some people don't mind, I guess. All right, so you can whisk that. So you're gonna.
this with
Yeah. So you've got 4 eggs beaten. And then the spinach soufflés, you're going to, they're frozen, so you're going to warm them up. It says on the package for 6 minutes. I do 3 minutes because it's all getting mixed and baked anyway. You just want to soften it up so that you can mix everything together. Hey. Gentle. He just wants to be closer. All right, so you're beating your 4 eggs. Then you're gonna pour this spinach souffle in there. Usually comes out pretty easy.
Oh.
We actually need a spatula. You want to dump that in there, bud?
Yeah.
Ooh, hot, sorry, honey. All right. Here, how about I hold it and you
Do that.
yeah. Ooh, it's getting a little, it's hot. Okay. going, buddy. Okay, so 2 frozen spinach soufflés, 4 eggs beaten, and then 6 ounces or 1.5 cups of grated Swiss. So I get this already grated Swiss from Wegmans. You're gonna dump the whole bag in there, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, big boy.
Basic mixy mix. Oh.
Would you like to play with this?
Mama, look at this. So much.
Good. All right. Got all the cheese in there. So spinach soufflés, eggs, grated Swiss. It's just these 3 ingredients. Mix together. No, these are not Oreos. A 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
Mom, I love you, Papa.
A little more. All right, you stir.
I'm gonna water soul.
Okay. And then we've got our quiche dish.
Mommy doing this.
Good job, bud. And you're gonna bake it, let's see, 375 for 45 minutes. Mix?
Yeah.
What do we need to mix?
My gingerbread.
Oh, okay. We can do that next, all right, bud?
Just
I know exactly where it is because we put it away where all the cookie stuff is so we can bake with it. And hide it. Put it away.
Mix.
Woo. Ready to pour it in? Whoa. Ready? All right. Why do we need to do the gingerbread one? Well, we don't need the ginger. Oh, because we have a pie crust. Last time we did pie crust, we let you. Oh. Well, you're not going to see this pie crust. That's why we didn't do the gingerbread one. All right, so super easy. Bake it in the oven, 375 for 45 minutes, and then it's done. It's a very easy dinner.